you're doing. I'm sure you are just keep rocking and keep improving yourself each and every day. As I telling every video that you should improve your skill. So until you won't try, then how it will happen? So yes, I am talking about English, that how to English speaking and how to improve your English speaking ability. So and I made a dozen of video about verb, sentence, tense, verb, everything. And here you can see that today is I'm talking about future perfect continuous. And look guys, don't worry, I will make a more content for you. And today I'm talking about something. I look every video now. I'm trying to now today I'm talking about any topics like we will discuss about a web series. We will discuss about a movie. I mean the knowledgeable movie and everything we can discuss. We will discuss. Okay. So here are some example. First, I will repeat 4 or 5 times for you as I do my every video. Okay, and then I will look why I'm telling that I will listen to a paragraph. Mm, I will show you that how to speak a paragraph, how to speak in a fluent way, and how I'm discuss a topic is all about that. You whenever you, when you will heard and when you will hear that someone is speaking and someone is speaking is so fluent and so consistently, then you gonna learn it. Okay, this is the way you gonna speak and this is the way you gonna teach. It won't work like that I am here, I'm writing something and then I'm translating in Hindi and then you are thinking that now you are able to speak. No, it won't work like that. Okay, first of all, there are few example which I'm telling you. Look, we're going to talk about future perfect continuous, and in continuous we can talk about ing. Look, this is the ing is the symbol of continuous. Yes, it's a symbol. You can recognize that we are talking in tense. It's a symbol of continuous. Okay, and I know it's the basic thing and everyone is know it. Okay, and how gonna we use I, we, you, are? We're gonna use shall, and he, she, it. Look, I, we, you, are. I shall. I know you. It is present tense. I have known him for 5 years. I have known him. Here are past perfect tense. I have been living in Delhi for 5 years. I had known him for 2 years. I have eaten nothing since morning. Look, now you decide that what we are talking about, because I talked about every tense and every sentence for multiple times. So it's now your duty to recognize what we are talking, what we are in talking in tense. Okay, it's your duty. Every time I won't repeat that we are talking this tense, we are talking this tense. No, it won't. I just want you that you are conscious about this language. You are just subconscious and attached to this language. Only this is can you can make speaker proper English. Otherwise, it won't work that you are whole day are just showing the video and listening many podcast, many Hollywood movie, many Hollywood series, taking a tuition of an English tutor to English teacher. You are going to school and there you are studying of English. No, it won't be like that. Until you practice, it won't happen. So at least look, it's the simple way. I know my audience is going to be 15, 20 or 25 student. So yes, I'm only suggesting you just give every day, each and every day, give to my video and then you're gonna speak in a fluent way. Otherwise, just you always will be stuck in an illusion that you are speaking, but you are not speaking, bro. It's a harsh reality and it's a sad, but it's the truth. So just watch every day my content and practice yourself at least 15-20 minutes. Then you automatically gonna see result in the next 6 months. This is the way you can speak English. So here we are telling that I shall have been living in Delhi. I know you. I have known him for 5 years. I have been living in Delhi for 5 years. I had known him for 2 years. I have eaten nothing since morning. Again, I'm repeating, I shall have been living in Delhi. I know you. I have known him for 5 years. I have been living in Delhi for 5 years. I had known him for 2 years. I have eaten nothing since morning. So I'm sure you are, just watch very carefully. Just watch very, very carefully. Look, I shall have been living in Delhi. What we are talking in tense? I know you. Simple present. I have known him for 5 years. I have been living in Delhi for 5 years. I had known him for 2 years. I have eaten nothing since morning. So I'm sure you are speaking in the proper way. Look, now, right now, let's make some entertainment. Let's make some entertainment purpose. So what we can discuss now? We can discuss what we can discuss. We just take a web series. Okay. So what we take? What we are taking? My best web series is Game of Thrones. I'm sure you also just watch it, and who will not love Game of Thrones? I think the most tremendous and most hilarious and most fantastic content and fantastic web series I have seen in my life, that was Game of Thrones. It's remarkable. It's speechless, truly speechless. Eight city and how all the stories are working on Khalasar, Khalisi, Joffra. My favorite character is Jon Snow. That was my favorite character. And Rick, his brother is he was a foolish. And also there are look, I'm forgetting something. There are Sansa Stark and Arya Stark. There were two sisters who rule the kingdom, and one sister gets stuck in another country, and second one, Arya Stark, that she was a fighter, and she wants to become a fighter. She always want to become like a hero. She always want to become live like a hero. So that's why she went to a teacher. She hired a teacher who teach her a very good martial arts and skill, and then she grows up. And also there are also I'm talking about the Sansa Stark. What a legendary character. Look, I'm saying that girl was so pretty. Girl is so pretty, really, really so beautiful. And I'm not she was beautiful, but I know she was a little bit clever than Arya Stark, and Arya Stark was more clever and more talented than Sansa Stark. Okay, so here I'm telling you that how the seven kingdoms works, and how the seven kingdoms work. They are moving. There are a dragon mother. Yes, a dragon mother. I think that dragon mother name was Emily Stark in a real life. Okay, so the dragon mother, she was a adorable child, and she was a very innocent child, innocent child. So when she was 13, 14, uh, his brother, her brother took took her to a Khalasar and sold out her, and then Khalasar will use them, and then she become a queen of a whole an old dragon, and then the Khalasar was dead, and then she moved on to another city with their large army, and also she adopted a whole army in there, and where she got a three dragon, and that three dragons uh, mm, were have very special quality. They get bigger and bigger each and every day, and they get bigger and bigger each and every day. They grow on very fastly, and they eat too much. I think I can recognize, I can compare to them dinosaur. Yes, I'm honestly, I mean, they are flying dragon, okay. They can fly one city to another city, and also they are, whenever they become angry, and whenever their mother gets order them, they there were a fire on their mouth, okay. So here I'm telling you that how the seven story works, how all our story are working, and you won't believe, I mean, in a last season, I mean, it's about a whole life. It's about, I think, a novel. Whoever the writer is of Game of Thrones, I think he took a whole novel, and then he made a whole series. I mean, but it's a legendary series, remarkable series. I mean, even Hollywood movie can't compared to that web series. This kind of popularity Game of Thrones gain in I mean 8 or 9 years. Every year, each and every year, people are waiting. Audience are waiting. I mean, whole world are waiting to watch that next season whenever it come. And there are 8 season, and each and every season 10 episode, 8 episode, 9 episode. So everyone, you should watch it. And if you haven't seen Game of Thrones, then you should watch Breaking Bad. Yes, 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 I'm telling you, that were another hilarious web series. Breaking Bad, Narcos, and also I liked it. Stranger Things, I watched 1 or 2 season. Orange is the New Black, I have seen 1 or 2 season. And also Sacred Game, that is my favorite web series. Because why I'm loving of Sacred Game, it's just because, first of all, that is the harsh reality of our country. I mean, since 1947, and after 1947 to today is, we are living in a 2025. whole whole scripted, I mean, how our politics are going on, how our politics are going on, how our work culture, how how the dirty politics playing in India, and in the name of religion, in the name of caste, and also there were a huge connection of underworld, and how the underworld and Bollywood are working on. I mean, the character who played Sartaj, which played by Saif Ali Khan, was tremendous, hilarious. I mean, a remarkable performance given to the Saif Ali Khan. We have to appreciate that role. I mean, so, but he taken for granted and played very well. And also, I mean, I love that web series. So, I mean, everyone, you should watch Game of Thrones, Breaking Bad, Stranger Things, and Sacred Game. These are the four best web series I think I have seen in my life. Because look, I'm not a content creator. I'm a sportsman. Also, I'm a I every day I am telling you that I'm giving 2 or 3 hours to our fitness, 2 or 3 to gym. I mean each and every day, and you can easily see that each and every day I'm uploading a content, making thumbnail, and all other stuff for my audience. Look, please just like, share, and subscribe my channel, so it will boost me and it will make me charge, so I can entertain you. I can make a more content for you. Look, I'm honestly I'm saying I want to monetize my channel. I'm telling you that I want to monetize my channel. So this is I am telling you that please support me, and you can understand what I'm trying to saying. Okay, so here you can easily see that whole day I'm busy, and every day I'm running a channel, and I'm making a content for my audience. So I think today I made a lot of content for my audience, and last of all, last okay, thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you very much.